Welcome to Math Made Perfect, where learning math is fun.
Hey boys and girls, welcome to another video with Math Made Perfect, where learning math is fun. Today, we're going to be looking at multiplying fractions and whole numbers using standard algorithm. There are going to be some circumstances where your whole number is very big and you will not be able to draw models or repeatedly add for so many times. Now, if that happens, boys and girls, using the standard algorithm would be more efficient. So, let's look at 5 nines times 6. We would need to draw 6 models or write 5 nines 6 times. But on a test where we need to work a little bit faster, we could use the standard algorithm. So, first thing we need to do, boys and girls, is to rename our whole number using a denominator of 1. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 5 nines times 6 ones. Is it okay for me to do this? Yes, because remember, boys and girls, 1 is equal to 6 divided by 1. And 6 divided by 1 is 6. Great. So now my next step is to multiply the numerators. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 6. Then I'm going to multiply 9 times 1. So basically, boys and girls, if you pay attention, you'll see that we're multiplying the numerator times the numerator and then the denominator times the denominator. Now, let's do 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. And 9 times 1 is 9. This is our answer, boys and girls, 39s. Remember, we need to simplify to know what our answer would look like as a mixed number. So I'm going to put my 30 inside and my 9 outside. I ask myself, how many times do I get 9 from 30? If you said 3, you are a multiplication facts genius. 9 times 3 is 27. I then subtract. 10 subtract 7 leaves 3. And 2 subtract 2 leaves 0. Remember, the answer at the top, which is your quotient, is our whole number. The remainder is our numerator and the denominator is the denominator. So our answer would be 3 wholes and 3 nines. 3 nines. Is there anything similar between 3 and 9? Is there any relationship that exists? Yes. 9 is a multiple of 3 and 3 is a factor of 9, which means I can simplify 3 nines again. So I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3. My answer would be 3 wholes and 1 third. Boys and girls, I hope you are seeing that at times you may need to do different things to make sure that you get your simplest answer. Let's look at another example. 3/5 times 21. If I'm on a test, I would not want to write 3/5 21 times. And so the standard algorithm is very important. So remember, our first step is to make our whole number a fraction using a denominator of 1. I then go ahead and multiply my numerator and then I multiply my denominators. 3 times 21 gives me 63. And 5 times 1 gives me 5. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to simplify. So I put my 63 inside, my 5 outside. How many times do I get 5 from 63? If my geniuses said 12, you are correct. 5 times 12 is 60. I subtract, I have a remainder of 3 left. So my answer, boys and girls, will be 12 and 3/5, which is also equal to 63/5. Are you ready to tackle the word problem? Let's go. There are 24 students in Mrs. Phillips' class. If each student gets 2/3 of a cupcake, how many cupcakes does Mrs. Phillips need? Let's go get into it. I need to know that there are 24 students in Mrs. Phillips' class, and each student will receive 2/3 of a cupcake. And then I need to know that I'm being asked to find how many cupcakes Mrs. Phillips needs. This, guys, is multiplication because we were given how many students, how much cupcake each student gets, and then to find how many she needs in all. So let's write our number sentence. 24 times 2/3. Remember what we do, boys and girls. Make your whole number a fraction using a denominator of 1 times 2/3. So we do 24 times 2 and 1 times 3. 24 times 2 gives us 48. And 1 times 3 gives us 3. Now we need to simplify. So I put 48 inside and 3 outside. Now, how many times do I get 3 from 48? If you said 16, you are correct. 3 times 16 equals 48. I subtract, I have a remainder of 0. This is my whole number, this is my numerator, and this is my denominator. Then, boys and girls, if my numerator is 0, then my answer is a whole number. So, Mrs. Phillips needs 16 cupcakes. Until next time, boys and girls, keep practicing. Remember, learning math is fun.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.